going on, everybody? It is Rob from Epic Arrow, and I am excited that we are going to get in the meat and bones of this course, which is private blog networks. Now, this is just an introduction video, so there'll be many more videos to come that are going to get a lot more detailed. So what are the pros of PBN links? These are the most effective way to boost your rankings in Google right now. Also, these links are completely under your control, so you can determine how you add them or take them away. And then if you find the right domains, you're gonna get instant trust and authority transferred to your site. So what are the cons of PBNs? Well, it's against Google's terms of service, so if you get caught using them, your money site is going to get penalized. They can also be very expensive. You have domain costs, hosting costs, and article costs if you have someone write your articles, which I highly recommend to save you a ton of time. It is also time consuming and hard to manage these. But don't worry, I'm going to show you some easy ways to take care of all of these. So how do we avoid Google penalties? Well, we want to make the sites look real. You want a contact page, about us page, terms of service, and privacy policy. You also want to write or have written 100% unique articles for these sites. You're also going to want to diversify your domain registrars. These include GoDaddy, Namecheap, Name. You just want to mix them up and get a big variation of a lot of them. You also want to diversify your hosting companies you're going to be using to host these on. And don't worry, I'm going to give you a big list of hosting companies. Then you also want to change your whois information or use whois privacy. So how do we build these out in a budget-conscious way? First, we're going to find domain registrar coupons. There is a Chrome extension called Honey, and it goes out and finds coupons and then automatically tries each coupon to see if it can get you the best price on whether it be domain registration or hosting. And I'll put a link to this in the description. And then you're going to want to use $1 hosting. If you like a section below this video, I have a whole list of $1 hosts and some other hosts that you should be mixing in there that are a lot more credible and trusted. And then you can use an article writer or spin articles the correct way, and I'm going to have a video showing you how to spin these articles correctly. Now, how do you manage your PBNs? We use Excel and Numbers, which Numbers is just an Excel version for Mac, to manage all of our PBNs. And if you like this page below, you're going to get the exact template that we use to manage our PBNs. Now, in upcoming trainings, we're going to discover how to find these PBN domains, how to set up a PBN, what plugins you should be using, the required pages, and examples of PBNs that we actually use, and then how to link out to your money site and how we link out to our money sites. So that's it. Stay tuned for other videos, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Hey, thanks a lot for staying till the end. If you'd like to move on to the next lesson, click the video on the right, or if you'd like to go back to the previous lesson, click the video on the left.